Hey Glosy family, welcome back to my space, and if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my followers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, this is a very fast recipe, easy to get because the ingredients are very easy and fetchable. You'll be needing some fresh aloe vera pulp, some lemon juice, some grapeseed oil, some turmeric oil, and above all, your bar soap. The important thing, your bar soap, go for a natural bar soap which does not contain any bleaching component or bleaching ingredient on it. You need a soap that at least is 90% natural. When I mean natural soap, so to be on the safer side, you can use something like Dove soap, palm olive, neutral rubber, just like the one I use, so on and so forth. So guys, this video is self-explanatory. Once you have your soap diced or cut into pieces or grated, how you'll be doing, you'll be using the double steaming method to make your bath soap. So you place your bowl, my bowl, in a pot with the water and put on the flame. Once it has started melting, gradually you apply some force to your spoon while mixing it, so you can get rid of the lumps in it. Then after that, you add your pulp or your aloe vera pulp and your lemon juice, which I blended earlier. Then you add your oils. You can go ahead and add extra oil if you have. If you want to add vitamin C oil, you want to add vitamin E oil, any oil, carrot oil, any oil you have, you can go ahead and add. Once that you had those oil, how are you going to do? Make sure your soap at least is not going to be uniform. You can I don't know if you have the patience to melt it completely, but my case, I don't have that patient. So all I'm going to do, once I got the desired consistencies, I'm going to transfer into my soap mold. Is it soap mold they call it? Yes, my soap mold. If you don't have this soap mold, you can also use anything you have, any container you have, but the important thing, make sure you grease or you spray some oil on it so it will not stick to your container. So in my case, I didn't spray any oil on it. I didn't grease it because I was in a hurry, so I was having it a bit difficult, finding it a bit difficult to bring out the soap. So guys, this is all for this video. Remember, in this channel we create healthy recipe for skin glow, maintaining of skin, and improving your skin quality. We learn how to carry our skin with pride. So guys, if you love this video, let me know on the comment section and let me know your thought about this video. Catch you guys. Love you all. Stay blessed.